Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a handy solution for upgrading your car audio system. The Gulfmew 4 Pcs 6.5 speaker adapter spacer and 4 Pcs Foam Ring Kit. If you've ever tried installing aftermarket speakers in vehicles like GMC, Chevy, Buick, or Cadillac, you know how tricky it can get. Factory mounts often don't line up perfectly with new speakers, and that's where this kit comes in. This kit includes 4 durable 6.5-inch speaker adapter spacers and 4 foam rings designed to enhance sound quality. The spacers are made from high-strength ABS material with a 25mm anti-crack thickness. This ensures they don't crack under pressure, absorb shocks effectively, and reduce resonance while driving over rough roads. The result is more stable speaker performance and a noticeable improvement in your car audio's clarity. The foam rings included are more than just padding, they're designed to improve the overall sound experience. They're waterproof, temperature-resistant, and resistant to deformation. These foam rings help to minimize sound leakage, absorb vibrations within the door cavity, and focus the sound field. By enhancing mid to low frequencies, they make your music richer, fuller, and more immersive. Installation is straightforward and doesn't require any special tools. The adapter spacers align perfectly with the factory mounting points. You simply bolt them in, and the adhesive-backed foam rings stick right onto your speaker setup. This allows for a fast and secure installation, meaning you can upgrade your system without cutting wires or modifying your car. Compatibility is wide-ranging. The kit is designed to fit 6.5-inch aftermarket door speakers in a variety of vehicles, including GMC Sierra models, Chevy Silverado models, Buick vehicles from 1995 to 2012, and Cadillac models from 1988 to 1999. Of course, it's always important to measure your vehicle's speaker opening to ensure a perfect fit. In essence, the Gulfmew speaker adapter and foam ring kit is a complete upgrade solution for anyone looking to transform their stock car audio into something that rivals professional setups. It provides durability, sound enhancement, and easy installation all in one package. If you want a quick, effective, and tool-free way to elevate your in-car audio experience, this kit is worth considering. That's it for today's review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next deep dive into must-have tech and car accessories.